standalone question of Nan Hua Primary, P6 Prelim paper in 2020, question number 14 of paper 2. This question is pretty similar to the question in Bukit Panjang Primary, the one we did in episode 1 of our P5 series. Let's take a look at this question. Mr. Chua wants to decorate opposite sides of the school hall for the school carnival. Now note that opposite sides of the school hall are actually equal in length, so that will mean that we will need to find the common multiple between 20 cm and the 15 cm. So we will be able to use our strategy L size to find the common multiple. So after applying the strategy, you will be able to find out that the lowest common multiple is 60 cm. So now let's write out the information that we have from figure 1. So in figure 1, we know that for every 20 cm, there is one triangular flag. Let's write F to represent the flag. And so for 60 cm, that will be 3 flags. And now let's look at figure 2. For every 15 cm, there will be one circular card. We're going to visualize it like that. 15 cm, one circular card. Every 15 cm, one circular card. So we can write down 15 cm, one circular card, C to represent circular card. And so 60 cm, that will be 4 circular cards. Now, next information that the question has given is that he used 24 fewer triangular flags than circular cards. So this 24 is the total difference between the triangular flags and the circular cards. So we'll need to find the one set difference over here. And that will be using the 4 and the 3. And that gives us a one set difference of 1. Okay, so now the next step we can proceed to find the number of sets. But there's a slight complication here. Remember just now, we are looking at the 15 cm. Every 15 cm is one circular card. Every 15 cm is one circular card. Every 15 cm is one circular card. Now, if you look at the last 15 cm, you realize that it does not come with a circular card. So this is in fact not a repeated pattern of what we have visualized in front. So remember, just now at the start of the question, I said that the opposite sides of the school hall are actually equal in length. So we can't just ignore the last 15 cm and just omit it. So in order to make the last 15 cm become a complete set, we will insert a circular card to it. So in fact, the total difference for the triangular flags and the circular flag is now one more than 24, which is 25. So the total difference is 24 plus 1, 25. Now once we have the total difference, we can proceed to find the number of sets by using 25 to divide by our each set difference, which is 1, and that gives us 25 sets. Now, the question is asking for the length of the school hall in meters, and we know that the one set there are 60 cm, so we'll write down one set 60 cm. And since there are 25 sets, we will be able to use 60 cm to multiply by 25, and that gives us 1,500 centimeters. And remember, the question wants it in meters, so we'll need to convert 1,500 cm to meters. And that gives us 15 meters. So 15 meters is the answer for the length of the school hall.